February 1 and February 14, we had a comment and win on this channel. The winner has been identified and he has been given his prize. You will get to hear his voice right now, and I'll tell you what next in the comment and win promo for the month of March. Let's go.
Hello everyone. I'm really excited to share that I won the comment and win prize challenge on Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV channel. When I saw the announcement encouraging us to simply comment and participate on the channel videos, I decided to give it a try. And I'm so much grateful to be a winner. I was called earlier this morning that I have been selected as a winner and prize delivered. Thank you so much, Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV, for creating such an engaging opportunity and always adding values through your contents. Thank you.
Throughout the month of March, we are going to have another series of comment and win. From March 2nd, today March 2nd till March 31, we're going to be giving prizes to those who comment and win. I requested that anyone commenting should put their phone number in the comments they are making, but that they should find a way to put it such that YouTube will not see it as phone number. You can write 080. Instead of writing 3691098, you can write 36902. You can use Yoruba to write some part of it, or instead of using figures, you can use words to write some part. And this is exactly what this individual do. So it's important to follow instruction. Many people commented, but a lot of people did not follow the instruction. So this is the only person that followed the instruction, and that is why he won. I'm going to see you in the next one, and I hope you keep commenting so that you can win in the comment and win promo. Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel is out to help you, to teach you how to make money both online and offline. This is my way of giving back to the community. This is my 6th year on YouTube, and I plan to do a giveaway in December, which is exactly the 6th year, December 8th, but I could not at that time. So this is the giveaway. Every month or from time to time, we'll be having giveaway like this. So I hope you're going to take advantage of this and also make money online. I'll see you in the next one. Drop your comment and your question, and if you're commenting to win, then also include your phone number technically. Bye for now. Have a fruitful day and a fruitful month.